Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Dear viewers, in front of me Nokia G60, and now I can show you how to set up family link protection, how to set up parental controls on this device. Okay, let's start. Firstly, open your settings application, on your child's phone and remove all Google accounts from this device. Why? Because if the child knows the password from his own Google account, he will be able to bypass the blocking of Google Family Link. So I suggest you to create an account for the child with the password that only you will know. So just find the account of the child, click remove, OK, verify it, and great. Now you need to add child's Google account with the password that only you will know, okay? So enter child's email, then click next, wait a while. Then just enter child's password here. And click next again. Click I agree. Accept. Great. Now you need to go back to the home screen and open settings again. Then scroll down, choose Google, choose Parental Controls, Get Started, Child or Teenager, Next. And cool. Now you need to link the child's Google account to your parent Google account. So here you need to enter your email. And the password. After that, click next. Scroll down and enter here child's password. So now click agree, allow supervision. Click next. Scroll down, choose next again. Scroll down, choose next. Skip. Okay. Now take your phone in your hand, and now you need to install Family Link application on your device. If you have iOS device, you need to install it using App Store. If you have an Android device, you need to install it using your Play Market. So open your Family Link, install it, open it, and here you will see your linked child's Google account with his name. In my case it's HDUDB because it's just a test child's Google account. So just click on it, wait a while, and as you can see here, you will see the child's devices linked with child's Google account. As you can see, I have a lot of devices. I have many devices here because, as I have said, this is a test child's Google account. So just by clicking on one of the devices, you can disable this device, you can lock this device. For example, in my case it's Motorola Moto G60. So find here Motorola G60. For example, as you can see, this device locked until 0600. You can unlock it or something else. Wait a while. Of course, you can lock separate application using Family Link. So, for example, how to lock separate applications. For example, what my child have on their device. For example, there is a GoPro Quick application on the child phone. GoPro Quick. So to disable this application, you need to find this section on your Family Link application, click More, click Limits, and wait a while, and great. Now just find GoPro application on your parent device or Messenger, for example. I don't want to find a GoPro application, so for example I want to block Messenger on the child phone. So just click on the Send Watch button and click Block. See on the child's device, and as you can see, Messenger was successfully blocked on the child's phone. So if you want to unlock Messenger on the child's device, just click No Limit or Always Allow and wait for it. As you can see, Messenger was successfully recovered on the child's phone. It's not deleting for child's device, but it's just hiding, so your child doesn't can run this application. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.